the Victoria and Alfred Hotel, nestled conveniently on the Victoria and Alfred waterfront.
As with any hotel booking, we like to research its reviews, location, and room pictures before making our selection. One resource to do this research is TripAdvisor.
A major selling point for us was that this hotel was conveniently located on the Victoria and Alfred waterfront, near outstanding restaurants and shopping. If you're staying at the Victoria and Alfred Hotel, it is important to note that this hotel conveniently has USB connections as well.
Now take a look at a video of our room.
On the move once again, we are in our final destination of our epic African adventure, Cape Town, South Africa. We are standing here in the bathroom of the Victoria and Alfred Hotel on the famous Victoria and Alfred waterfront here in Cape Town. Let's take a look at the rest of the room. As you can see, we have double vanities, shower, bathtub, and over here we actually have a little toilet room with its very own, very cute little sink. Coming on this way down this nice wide open hall, we have our standard storage. But then you can see we move into this incredibly spacious room. It has all the standard amenities that you would look for in a nice hotel. Big bed, seating area. But the main reason that we chose this property is its location. Not just the waterfront and everything to do there, but the view. So it is nighttime here in Cape Town, but you can see that we overlook the harbor. Beautiful view. And during the daytime, Table Mountain will tower over us to our right.